I'm here with Ryan Basilio, the Director of Product Management at Workday. Ryan, thank you so much for joining us.
Hey, glad to be here, Amir.
So Ryan, DevCon is known for its strong sense of community.
Yep.
How does Workday Extend contribute to fostering this community? And what makes DevCon the most unique experience for developers in general?
I love that question. I think Extend contributes to DevCon kind of as the impetus, right? We started this thing 5 years ago, and I think DevCon or Extend was the reason why we even started it, because we knew there was going to be so much that you could do with Extend, so much white space, and we needed a place to go, hey, let's all get under one roof, let's figure this out together. So I think it was really kind of the catalyst, but it encapsulates so much more than just Extend, like integrations and analytics, but it really was a kind of kick in the butt to get us there.
I love that, I love that. Well, speaking of Workday Extend, how is it evolving to meet the changing needs of developers, especially with this thing that everyone keeps talking about, AI, you might have heard of it?
You know, I think I saw those two letters somewhere on a sign somewhere.
I keep hearing them over and over again.
Honestly, Extend is going to be at the forefront of AI, right? There's going to be two different ways we're going to see that happen. One, getting more AI into the applications themselves, right? Where you're going to hear Workday's AI LLMs kind of come through a little bit, as well as our partners in AWS. That's one angle, but also using AI to get the applications delivered faster, right? You just heard Developer Copilot with a lot of new features. That's going to expedite development time by a ton. So big changes. We're including AI there. Really fun.
This year we're hearing a lot about giving developers the tools, the skills, the connections to build the future, driven by what we're calling 3X innovation, right? How does Workday Extend embody this empowerment, and how does it fit into the whole 3A innovation concept?
Yeah, well, the 3X innovation is what? Built by customers, or built by Workday, built by partners, then built by Workday, or built by customers, right? Workday, partners, customers.
There you go.
And those two parts, partners and customers, that's really where Extend shines, right? They want to be able to bring their secret sauce, go beyond what's delivered inside of Workday, and Extend really kind of plows the road for them. It's going to make it so much easier. So I think, again, as the impetus, I think the 3X innovation story doesn't exist without Workday Extend.
I love that, I love that. Okay, we got time for one more. I'll ask you a bonus question.
Let's do it.
Looking ahead, what's the most exciting development that you see on the horizon for Workday Extend, and how will it continue to empower developers?
I think it's all about Developer Copilot. Developer Copilot's really going to expedite developers' time to value. It's going to make them look like rock stars. It's going to make them look like superheroes. And I really think that's going to just open up so much more use cases. When you can reduce that cost of being able to develop, it's going to give businesses so much more runway. So I think Developer Copilot is it, and it's going to be a lot of fun for developers to play with it here at DevCon.
I love that. Thank you so much, Ryan. And to learn more about Workday Extend, how it empowers developers to build the future, visit the Workday Extend website. You can scan this QR code to explore Workday Extend. Thank you all for joining, and thank you, Ryan.
Thanks, Amir. Good to have you, man.